It's one thing to be in style, but if you can't save the planet and be in style, what are you really doing? Does it even matter that you know how to dress if you're not saving the planet while doing so? It does not. You on game real quick to one of the most sustainable brands that you're going to see on the internet today. Everything is biodegradable, even down to the print that they use to print on these clothing items. It is used with 100% water. Every cause that you could think of, Change has a graphic t-shirt for it. So let me just show y'all what they sent me. And shout out to y'all because your girl needed some more t-shirts. I'm always walking to my mailbox and glam. I always forget to dress down. So let's see what they got. Ooh. Oh, y'all hooked me up. Yes. Check this out, y'all. Check this out. It's the back for me. It's really the back for me. Y'all out here throwing straws and stuff on the ground, out here hurting the turtles and whatnot. Save the planet. Where you gonna go? Oh, yes. Let's read it out loud for the people who don't know how to read. The happiest people don't have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything. Period. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. It's not the front. I mean, we like the front. We like the brand. Okay? But it's the back for me. It's the back for me. We don't owe you a goddamn thing. Period. The shorts to match the hoodie. Oh, listen, I'm going to be thrifting in style, grocery shopping in style, saving the planet in style, okay? One thing about it, only you can prevent the forest fires. Do your part for the future. Y'all keep acting like, where y'all gonna go? Saving the planet in style. That's my new motto. Let me put that in my bio. Saving the planet in style. Because listen, y'all might be walking in style, but are you saving the planet? Are you doing anything constructive in style? We want to hear about it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 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 Let's get into it for the people who can't read. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Okay? Because right now, y'all not focused. Okay? Planet Earth gonna start blowing y'all houses across the seas because y'all don't listen. It's one thing to be in style, but if you can't save the planet and be in style, what are you really doing? Okay? Are you really? Does it even matter that you know how to dress if you're not saving the planet while doing so? It does not. Go save the planet in style. And y'all better not say nothing about my hair. I'm about to go fix it. Bye.